Uh-huh, honey.
DayJaMona, DayJaMona, DayJaMona. Hey. Woo, you guys, it's bright as heck, and this hammock is close as AF. Close AF. Let me try that again. This hammock is close AF to the ground. Just close, but it's really nice. So I just arrived to the third villa of my stay here in Bali, and it's super cute. You got some cute, aesthetic, modern little vibes. The pool is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but that's okay because I didn't even step a toe in the pool at the last villa. So now I know that pools are like good in theory, but not exactly something I use. Which both the pools are shared, so it's not bad. But oh, welcome drink. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Thank you. So, cheers to random welcome drinks. Well, it's not random. I didn't know I'd get a welcome drink, but I didn't know I was going to get it so soon. Ooh, and that's good. Yeah, that's real good. This is a great start. And I'm actually here early. I did message ahead to see if I could check in early, but there was no reply. But because check-in at the other place was 11, I actually left maybe at like 10, which I could have waited, but let me tell you how much of a bad idea that would have been. So, dang, that's a good drink. I would have left at 11, right? But let me tell you about how easily you can get stuck in Ubud. Let me just tell you. So, they want you to use local taxis, which is cool. Support the local economy and the local taxi workers, but they be upcharging like nobody's business compared to the online transport apps. So they pretty much ban online transport apps in Ubud. They don't want anyone using Grab, Gojek, Uber, which they don't even have Uber here that I know of, or any of those online apps. But so of course, you know, people break that rule because taxis are so expensive. And mind you, they have taxi stands quite frequently. Like, you can't go, I say, 30 feet without seeing a taxi stand. Not all of them are open, but at least they're there in theory. So first there was a debacle about getting to the villa in Ubud because the owner put the wrong address within Airbnb. My theory is that she did that on purpose for security and safety reasons. And she did tell me ahead of time, let me talk to your, taxi driver when you get here. But because I gave the address and my taxi driver didn't look, he didn't look confused. He looked like, okay, this is the address, this is where it's at, it's right off the street, cool, boom, bada, done, we on the way. So it didn't dawn on me. Like, I'm thinking, the taxi driver could call her if we get lost, not call her regardless because she knew from jump that she gave the wrong address. So then when we finally get there now I realize, oh dang, like, my taxi driver can't even be around this way because these types of taxis are off limits. So dude dropped me off so fast, the address was wrong, and yeah. So now I'm thinking, we're gonna fast forward that because that's another video, lost in Ubud. Yeah, make sure you check that out. right here, one of these corners. It'll open up in a new tab, and you can watch that when you're done watching this. But so fast forward, now I'm thinking last night, I'm like, yo, it's gonna be hell for me to get out of here, just like it was hell for me to get here. So then I start planning and plotting, because if you don't know, I'm a planner and a plotter. And I'm like, okay, okay, I use Gojek. That's my go-to. I don't have Grab. Uber doesn't work because it's not in this area. So I've been using Gojek all the week and a day that I've been here. And so I'm looking for a scooter to get to dinner so I can get to an ATM. So just in case I really do need an expensive ass taxi, I have more cash. And like, it took an hour to get a scooter to go to dinner. Like, there's no scooters in the area, and I kept having to go back to the app, check, then there's nobody there, or I'll like set up a ride and it'll be like looking for a rider, and it'll just keep spinning and spinning and spinning, and then it's like, oh, oops, looks like all of our drivers are busy. And I'm just like, no. So it literally took an hour to get to dinner and also get to the ATM. So that was a dual mission right there. Luckily, mission succeeded. Now to get back, I had to walk. It was less than a mile. I wasn't really mad, but when I asked how much the taxi would be, they said 70,000.
Nope.
70,000 to go less than 1.5 kilometers. Actually, no, it was 1.5 kilometers. So to go less than 2 kilometers, it's 70,000. Mind you, it cost me 138,000 to get from Kuta to Ubud. That's 138, and that's like almost 30 kilometers. So you're gonna charge me half of 30 kilometers for 1.5 kilometers? Are you dumb? Like, no. I was like, no thank you. I will walk. So I turned on my little Google Maps, and yes, I do have the map of Bali available offline. I downloaded it while I was still on Wi-Fi before I even got to this country. That way, if I got lost, then I would still have maps offline, and I would be able to use it. And with Google Maps, you can use for a car destination, or a walking destination, or a bicycle destination, and it'll give you all the routes. So that's exactly what I did. And I just looked for a little shortcut closer to getting back. It took me less than 10 minutes to walk back from the restaurant back to the villa, and that was that. And then I was just walking on faith, like, hey, tomorrow when it's time to get a car, I'm gonna start looking early. Like, I'm gonna open the app like maybe 9 o'clock, 9:30, and just see if I can get rides. And if I can't, then I'll get a taxi. So, I have to say, this one is the smallest villa out of them all, but it's already my favorite, and I just got here. Like, aesthetic wise, actually, it really isn't the smallest if you count this outdoor area, right? But because there's nothing, like, there is a door there, so that does lock. So this does count, but as far as like indoors, this is the smallest but the cutest. Like, the last place that you saw in the last vlog, didn't even have doors to the little closet area. So, and then the first villa didn't have premium channels. They just had regular cable, which was fine because I probably only watched TV for like a total of 30 minutes for that whole 3 to 4 days. But just the fact that it's there. But this place, like, it's modern aesthetic, and the smell, it smells so good. Obviously because they just cleaned it and then was like, okay, you could check in early. But that was really nice. Like, they didn't have to let me check in early, so that was really great. But also just the vibe, like, I like it. And I already uploaded a video that I had edited a couple of days ago, but because the last place the Wi-Fi was so weak, the video wouldn't upload. So here I was already able to upload that video that I already edited successfully. So that means the Wi-Fi is good. So far I'm happy, and I'm staying here the longest. I'm staying here for the rest of my time, so a whole 7 days, right? Because today is Sunday and I'm checking out on Saturday, and then I actually go to one more room for one night. And I only did that simply because it's like super close to the airport, and my flight leaves at like midnight, so I did not want to go to the airport and just be stuck at the airport for 12+ hours. So I was like, okay, I'll just go a little bit closer to the airport and then get like a little small cheap room. I think it was like $20 for the day, like not bad, and just chill there. So I'm happy. And now I'm going to take a bath. Take a bubble bath, which, you know, I bought a bubble bath the first couple days I was in here. That's the first vlog, so go back and watch that. Put in the cards up here. But yeah, I bought a bubble bath, but I haven't been able to use it because at the first place the water didn't get hot for the tub and only got hot for the shower, which I don't know how they managed to do that. So we'll see if this place, if the water gets hot for the tub, or at least warm, because I don't want to take nobody wants to take a cold bath. Who wants to take a cold bath? Unless you're an athlete and you just got done doing some really hardcore training, that is not she. So I want a warm or hot bath. So let's see how this goes. Alright, y'all, so curtains is closed, right? Bathroom doors closed. It's nap time. And I pull the sheets back, and look at it. We fancy. We fancy. Okay. We going to sleep in Louis Vuitton. Who am I? Who am I? Who are we? Who are we?
Hey everyone.
Look where I'm at.